We were quite devastated when we saw how these clips turned out. The day was sunny and there were still some autumn colors, but somehow all of that just doesn't seem to show up. Why does it look so flat and grey? Is there anything we can do to fix this? Is all of the material ruined? I did some digging and found a way to turn this into this. So if you're struggling with the same thing, I hope this video can help you and show that there definitely are things that you can do to bring out the color, even though everything would look just grey at first.